woman in her 20s has died following a dog attack in County Limerick overnight. The animal believed to be involved has been destroyed. For the latest developments, we're joined by David Rowley, freelance journalist in Limerick. David, good morning.
Good morning, Pat.
What can you tell us about this tragedy?
Well, Pat, this morning Gardaí have appealed for information after, as you say, a young woman was killed in a dog attack in County Limerick overnight. Gardaí said the attack on the woman occurred at a house at Ballyneety shortly before midnight. I'm currently at the scene, Pat. There's Gardaí attached to forensic scenes of crime at the scene at this house, which remains sealed off this morning. It's located in a very rural area of County Limerick, in between the villages of Ballyneety and Fedamore, about 9, 10, 11 miles from Limerick City on the south side of Limerick City. There's a gated entrance to the house sealed off, as is an approach boreen to this house. And as I say, Gardaí said that at approximately 11:40 p.m. last night, they received a report and attended an incident where this woman, who's 23 years of age, was fatally injured following a dog attack at this domestic residence. The woman was pronounced dead at the scene by medical personnel. Her body was removed from the scene here to University Hospital Limerick, where a post-mortem examination is due to take place. I believe it's scheduled for this afternoon at some stage. The animal believed to have been involved in this fatal attack has been destroyed, Gardaí have confirmed, and Gardaí have also confirmed that a number of other dogs have been seized. Their investigation is ongoing, Pat, and they've asked that anyone with information is asked to contact Roxburgh Road Garda Station on 061 214 340, and the Garda Confidential line is taking information on 1800 666 111.
Now, is this a private residence or was it used for kennels? Do you know?
It appears to be a private residence, Pat. It appears to be, it is a two-story house, quite a large residence. It has a gate leading up to the house. It's located on a quiet country road between the villages of Ballyneety and Fedamore. And it's just otherwise an idyllic rural location. And unfortunately for this poor woman and her family, this area now has turned into a nightmare for her, her family, and the neighbours and friends who are dotted around this rural landscape.
And the breed of the dog, is that a significant factor? Any dog can be potentially dangerous, so it's not to label breeds, but there are some breeds which are more associated with attacks than others.
There have been some reports that the animal involved may have been on a list of the breed of dogs that would be restricted breeds of dogs. That has yet to be confirmed locally by Gardaí, but in a sort of a strange, ironic twist, this morning Gardaí were due to issue a local media alert in Limerick about dog owners' responsibilities following a dog attack on a 9-year-old boy in Limerick last Wednesday, the 29th of May at 8:30 p.m. last Saturday. The boy had to go to hospital to be treated for facial injuries, and Sergeant Bear Leach, who's the crime prevention officer at Henry Street Garda Station in the city, said that rules must be followed with restricted breeds of dogs. They must wear muzzles in public. They must be on a short lead. They must wear a collar with the owner's information on it. And the person controlling the dog must be over 16 years of age. And Sergeant Leach made the point that these rules are in place to protect everybody, including the dog. Now, at this stage, I would say, there is no confirmation about the type of dog yet from the Garda Síochána, and the exact details involved here are still unclear and not confirmed. But what is confirmed is that this poor woman, 23 years of age, at this home here in County Limerick, has died following a dog attack.
David Rowley, freelance journalist based in Limerick, thank you very much for joining us.